heard those pops? What's up, everybody? This is BasedKing. I'm back again with another video for y'all. Today, nice beautiful day, nice beautiful sunny day. I am actually headed with my girl. Her Subi's up there. She's gonna be getting her tires changed out. She needs new tires, so we're going to Les Schwab to go get that done, and she can get an alignment as well. And I just wanted to record since I'm coming along too. I don't think we were gonna stay there, so we were just gonna go mob around and get stuff done. I just want to do another POV video. I hope you guys liked the last one. It was kind of late at night on those long straight roads. It was really fun. I enjoyed it. Like I said in my last video, I'm glad to be back. I'm glad to be driving around my Charger again. I love it. Thank you y'all for over 415 subs. I appreciate each and every one of you. I love y'all. Thank you so much. We're growing closer to the 500. I can't wait to hit that. That's a big deal for me. And then after that, I can't wait to hit 1,000. I'm just, if I ever make it there, I'm gonna be so grateful. Thank y'all. Y'all are the best. If any of y'all know me or know the area I'm from or am near, hit me up. Let's do a mob, you know. Let's go drive around. Let's make content. That'll be sick. Shorts, TikToks, whatever. YouTube Shorts I fuck with, Instagram Reels I fuck with. I like using those from time to time whenever I have a chance when I'm not busy. But TikTok was never really my feng shui. But if you're someone that makes TikTok content, Shorts or Reels, and y'all know where I'm from, y'all know the area, y'all maybe know me, hit me up. Let's make some content. I'm down to help. Especially if you have a blacked out whip, I would love that. Let's go make some murdered out whip content. I know my rims still ain't all black yet, but they will be soon enough. Let's go make some content. That'd be really dope. Me and my girl still need to make content together because she has a black whip, I have a black whip, but we just have a hard time finding time. We are in track one now, y'all. Another thing I wanted to do, y'all, is add like 5-inch blacked out exhaust tips onto the back. I feel like that would look dope. I would really, really fuck with that. I just feel like with some blacked out 5-inch tips in the rears, it really look dope. I like the chrome. Don't get me wrong, I feel like with the chrome tips and then also with my wheels, it looks good. Like my car looks like what I like to call a classic. It just looks nice. But like I said, I'm trying to murder it out, so that's my goal. But I'm not trying to do like a lot of people when they murder out their cars, they get a lot of matte colors, like matte black hood, matte black wheels. I don't like that. I love the gloss look, that nice shiny gloss look like my car. Like when I get rims, they are gonna be gloss black. I am not getting a matte black rim. Like no sir, I am not getting a matte black rim. I will be getting a gloss black rim. Like my front lip is gloss black, side skirt's gloss. I just love the gloss black look. If it's possible, I'm gonna do it. If not, I will have to go with a matte look. I just love that painted shiny look. It just looks a lot cleaner to me, a lot more like it's meant to be on the car. The matte just looks like you did it yourself and there's no craftsmanship in it. I don't know, that's just my personal opinion. feel like I watch back on my videos and just watch moments where I'm just cruising, no talking like this. I really don't think the videos do it justice. Like, sitting here in the car, cruising, is just so peaceful and beautiful, and the noises my exhaust makes, like, I don't even heard that. The video probably didn't pick it up, but there's like popping, like burbles, and it just sounds so good. Ready to buy my girl. All right, Les Schwab's right here, y'all. Let her park it up. Ooh, look, we got a Scat Pack here. Park next to that bad boy. Park next to the purple Scatty, the 392. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go in with my girl now. We're gonna get this done. 392 with the 6.4 SRT8. I'll be back, y'all. All right, y'all, we just dropped off her car at Les Schwab. They're gonna take care of it, alignment, calibrate the sensors, all that. So we're just gonna go drive around now. I'm basically gonna take the same road I took in my last video, but in reverse now, because why not? The roads look packed though. You hear those burbles, y'all? But yeah, enjoy the drive. I'm gonna be trying to get out of this traffic soon enough. Let's pass his ass. Someone had to cut me off, huh? Make sure the radar is going, y'all. Alright, y'all, let's pass this car. We got an empty road. Sorry, y'all, I know this is not a no talking video, but I just like enjoying the drive. I'm just looking at the beautiful day and enjoying the drive. Sometimes I just don't have much to say, you know? But yeah, the last video I had I was going this way, coming this way. Now I'm just going in reverse. Let's catch up to those cars in front of me. Oh, actually, it looks like they're turning. I gotta take y'all down here one day on this road. There's a nice little park all the way at the end that goes down to the river, and it's really beautiful. Alright, let's move, y'all. Look at all this dirty land, y'all. It's just this open desert. Because I live in a desert. Just sagebrush everywhere and nothing. I don't get why they haven't made like buildings here or anything. But I'm pretty sure it's all owned land. That's probably why. Let's do it. If it was a lot more green, I'd probably fuck with it a lot more. But it's all yellow. But yeah, y'all get a glimpse of where like I'm from. It's just desert, plain lands with nothing but weeds, sagebrush, and just nasty bushes. Like if you landed in those bushes over there, you'd probably get cut up. It's not like a green land where if you land, it's all soft and like grass. It's all dirty out here, but it's good farmland and I really like it. I love this view, y'all. The sun, these nice hills. Y'all can tell by the roads how jagged they are. If this was just a nice smoothed out road, oh, this would be luxury. Yeah, this is a good road to test out your car, y'all. Like if I had my own like farm or ranch, I would love to place somewhere out here like these people. Where they're like, oh, it's just, I'm jealous. They got a lot of land, horses, cows, everything. Look at that horse right there. Look at these cows. Shit ton of them too. I would love that, you know? That's my dream. Look at that one horse, follow that land. But I live in the suburbs. But land out here like this is like over $1 million. Like, yeah, it probably doesn't look like pretty. Like it doesn't look pretty. Like look at that. It's like a trailer home. But that's probably at least with the land added to it. With the land added to it, it's probably like $1 million. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna stop at Walmart right now. Get some things like I usually do in most of my videos. Always stopping at Walmart. I might pick up the camera right after. I might not. If I do, I'm picking it up to close it out. I didn't speak on it a lot, but that Charger y'all saw at Les Schwab, that's like the cleanest car I have seen in my town in a long time. Y'all heard those pops? That was crazy. That purple Scat Pack wide body was so clean. It's the other one was that demon, that gray demon, the Destroyer gray demon that we saw at that one time I was driving for my mama's birthday. I like to go through the back of Walmart just because it's not like a hill that I have to drive up on top of like the other entrances are. It's just a nice smooth ground, like so. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go Walmart. I'll see y'all in a little bit later. Peace. Okay, y'all. So we picked up her car, and now we're headed home. Sorry I didn't show y'all after Walmart, just because I didn't want to film. Got kind of later too. We're just out doing stuff. But yeah, I'm going home now. That's pretty much the end of the video now. I hope you guys like the POV drive. I got more coming on the way too. Got some new stuff coming. I don't know what mod to do next. I think it might be the exhaust tips, to be honest. If not, it's the wheels for surely. But I'll keep you guys updated. So please like the video. Let's hit 20 likes on this video. Just 20 likes. Comment down below what you guys want to see. Let me know. Let me know what you think about the video. And I love y'all. I'll catch y'all in another video. This is BasedKing. Peace.